Are you looking for the perfect pair of running shoes? Step into Extreme Runners, the Comox Valley's ultimate running store. We are extremely knowledgeable with expert staff who know the science of movement and the art of the perfect fit. We are extremely friendly because we take the time to listen, understand your needs, and make sure you leave with the perfect gear and a smile on your face. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just getting started, you'll always feel welcome here. We are extremely diverse, from road runners to trailblazers, marathoners to weekend warriors. We've got something for everyone. Shoes, gear, and helpful advice, all from a local store that's been fueling the community's passion for movement for over 20 years. Wherever you run, whatever your pace, Extreme Runners will get you there. Run smarter, run stronger, run with Extreme Runners.